Hey guys, it's Diane here, also Baby Dolly, and today I will show you how to do high pigtails. So first of all, brush your hair thoroughly so it's not messy. By the way, if I'm staring at one spot, I have to use a mirror for this video because the video itself is mirror inverted and it's pretty confusing for me to do my hair using the camera. It would just look awful. So I have to use a mirror where I can see how it actually looks like. So I would be staring like this if I'm doing the pigtails, just so you are not irritated by it or something. So now the next step would be to split your hair up. So on each side it's pretty much the same amount of hair. As best as you can, because it can be hard. Like for me, because I have very thick hair and I also have a lot of hair, like really a lot, and I have curly hair, so it's pretty hard for me to do this. So then just tie your hair up on one side so it's not getting in the way when doing the pigtail on the other side. And now just put your hair together with your hands and just move your hands up as much as you want. And now you can decide how high you want the pigtails, or at the front or at the back. Just by using your hands around, like either moving forward or moving backward. Depends how you want it. And then just tie it up. And then repeat the same thing again on the other side. Then even them out. As much as you can so we look pretty much same. At least I have to do it because my hair is just wild and yeah. I have to tidy it up a bit. So it looks kinda okay. Sorry, my hair always looks messy. Like this. I just have such hair. It sucks sometimes, honestly. I wish I had thin hair so it would be easier for me. I have to even it out a lot more. So it looks as equal as possible. But now the pigtails are done. It doesn't look the best, definitely, but that's pretty much how they are done. So I really hope this video helped you to do pigtails. And if it didn't, I'm very sorry to hear that. Then you have to try another option to do it, or just let someone help you to do it. Because when I was smaller, my mom also did it for me. I didn't do it myself. I eventually did it myself. But yeah, this is how it's done. It doesn't look the best, but that's basically how it's done. So I really hope that it helped you in any kind of way. And see you in my next video. Bye!